Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Now today's quite an exciting day, isn't it, Lou? We're off on a little mini tour today. But before that, we've got to go to work. As you can see, I'm not in my motorcycle gear because I've got to go. But Louise, luckily enough, is riding a bike to work this morning in preparation to go out later. I'm going to pick Lou up from work, meet her there with a few friends, and then we're off
to Chelsea. We're going down onto the south coast for the weekend, staying in an Airbnb.
Yep.
Fingers crossed that the weather's not too bad.
No, the weather's looking a bit mixed, isn't it? But we've got some gear to try out. We've got some new waterproofs and some new waterproof luggage to try out. So hopefully it will rain a little bit so we can get that tested.
Not too much.
Not too much. But anyway, Lou's got to get off to work on this thing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've noticed that 70% of our regular watchers haven't subscribed yet. So hit that subscribe button and you'll see us next week on our little mini tour. See you soon. Cheers.